In this video, I'm going to show you how to open PayPal account in India. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in PayPal, and then the first link will take you to their official website, so where it says digital wallets, money management and more, PayPal US. Don't worry if it says US, just click on this and it will take you to the paypal.com/in/home, okay? And now what you want to do is click on sign up here and then select whether you're an individual or a business account. So I'm going to select individual, so where you can send payments only, and business, where you can receive and send, but I'm only gonna choose this for this instance. You can choose whichever you want, by the way. Now I'm gonna click next, and then you have to type in your email over here, but before that you have to select your country. In my case, as you can see, India is already selected, but in case you're coming from another country or in case something else is displayed, you have to select India over here, okay? And then once that's done, you type in your email. There we go. And then click on next. And now you're asked to type in your phone number, so you want to take your Indian phone number. Now once you've done that, you have to input some of your other information, and once that's done, you are simply going to be notified via email, and you're going to confirm your PayPal email over there, and that's it.